Hello guys, welcome to Online Hustle Corner. In this corner, we give you daily tips and opportunities on how to make money online. If this is what you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell button so that you can be the first to be notified when we post money making opportunities.
Online side hustles are a great way to earn extra cash, but finding the right one can be difficult because you need to know what type of work you're skilled at and then find the right side gig based on those skills. To help you reach financial freedom fast, here are some of the best side hustles for 2022. So the first side hustle we're going to be talking about today is paid surveys online. Doing paid surveys online is how you can turn your wait time into money. It doesn't pay as well as other online hustles in 2022 on our list, but also it is one of the easiest, and all you have to do is answer a couple of questions. In some sites, you can earn as much as $100 per day online just answering surveys, watching videos, and doing simple tasks on all these paid survey sites. So the second side hustle we're going to be talking about is make money on Reddit. Reddit has a lot of potential and has a lot of money-making opportunities. Reddit has a lot of awesome communities about every topic under the sun. It is addictive, fun-filled, and is filled with memes. But it also has a lot of communities where people post gigs and tasks that can make you a lot of money. It is not just for small taxes though. You can even find freelance gigs and full-time job on Reddit. I bet you just knew about that. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs button. So now let's move forward. Another thing you can do online is doing micro tasks. Doing micro tasks takes usually from 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Micro tasks requires no skill, although most micro tasks don't pay a lot. But if you do this consistently, you're going to cash out big time on a monthly basis. And some sites you can use to perform micro tasks are Clickworker, Appin, and a lot more of those sites are available. So the next thing we're going to talk about is become a customer service rep. Yes, the more successful a business becomes, the more support requests they receive from their customers. Fast-growing companies are always looking for new customer support representatives to join their team. The pay depends on your skills and on your experience level. Hourly rates ranges from $10 to $50 an hour, and you can do this from anywhere you are in the world with little or no skill or experience. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. So the next online hustle we're going to be talking about today is to become a transcriber. So yes, this is basically converting audio to text, so you can gain and earn a lot of money by just simply typing. Wow, that is a lot. So businesses like to have their videos and podcasts transcribed. With so much audio and video content being produced every hour, transcribers are in huge demand. The only thing you need for this job is a set of ears. The best part about this job is that you get to do as much or as little work as you want and set your own hours. The only limit to how much you can make is how fast you can type and how good your listening comprehension is. So I'm going to drop a link in the description to a video I've done before about making money typing. I gave a list of websites which you can apply for transcription jobs on. So I'm going to put a link in the description, so just check it out. So the next hustle we are going to be talking about is becoming a social media moderator. As a social media moderator, you help to moderate the content that is created by followers of a business. The job usually entails replying to people's tweets and comments. How simple can that be? You already reply to a lot of tweets and comments on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and other social media, so why not turn that into a money-making opportunities? It also includes deleting comments that might be negative or spam. Some business hire social media moderators to moderate the content that is posted on their Facebook groups. The best part about this job is that it requires little to no attention and can be done from anywhere, anytime. This job pays as much as $25 to $25 per hour. If you clock in a couple of hours every day, this side hustle can become a monthly income stream for you. So this is basically easy, basically simple. You can make money from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter just by being a social media content moderator. Wow, that's great. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share these videos with your friends. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be the first to be notified about money-making opportunities. So bye guys, and see you in the next video.